everybody, so today we will be learning how to make a nail polish holder along with adding stickers and nail holder. So let's start. First we will be taking one packet little stickers. I have take flower theme stickers. Then I have put my hot glue gun for making it hot. And this is a wooden board. You can use any board, but not plastic board. It can melt it mistakenly. Then I have taken one waffy lid. You can eat the waffy box and then you will get this lid and a box. Okay. Then I have used strawberry flavor. Okay. And I have decorated the lid in a queen shape and you have to do so. So see, I have made the lips first. Then I made a little tongue. And then I made her nose and then I made her a smiley face. Okay. So we will be decorating her more until our hot glue gun hurts up. Now I have taken some metallic finish color. It's a nail color. Now we will be shaking it and start to use it. So I am painting her lips in that color because I don't want orange color right now. And before you start with your original color, you can apply the color like me, which I have applied like orange or green or any other color which you like. So paint her lips. Okay. Yep. So guys, I'm done painting. You can see I have colored her lips properly. I don't want to color any other part. But just for now, we will be taking this pink nail polish, shaking it, and just applying a circle. And it's very easy to make this circle. Just you have to make an pink little circle and you have to paint that nicely like this. Now we will be doing same with the other cheek using the same brush, same nail polish. Yep, so see, you can see that I have colored with both cheeks and it's very fast to do if your nail polish is not dried. Okay, now we don't require our nail polish.
Let it dry for some time.
Yeah, till the time we will work on this box. Now we don't need a table for this activity. I have taken one box. We will go to the hot glue section now. See, the hot glue drop is falling. Yep, so as I told you, we will be working on the box. And I have gone to the hot glue section as I told. Now we will be taking the sponge holder, the nail holder. See, it fits your nail. It should fit your nail like this. Okay. Now we will be applying some hot glue on the sponge. Very lightly, as much lightly you can apply, that much lightly you have to apply. Okay. See, our hot glue. We would require the extra hot glue afterwards, I think. So please don't keep away your hot glue gun. Then leave it like this with your hand to create a crown shape. Paste it hardly in the center. Okay. See, it's looking like a crown shape. Can you see?
Nice.
Okay. Now we will be taking our lid, which is dried, and we will be closing the box. See, so you should fit the face at the ground. It hardly looks like a little princess. Okay. So I'm pressing it still more harder. Okay. And now we will be creating a few details on the ground. Over here we will be applying just a drop of hot glue. Not too much, and we will leave it. Then again on this one we will be just applying 1 drop of hot glue, not more, and leave it. And over here at the same points we will be applying to make it more realistic like a crown. Now we'll be letting it dry. Okay. This is smearing off, no problem. Just place it on the wood. We can remove it afterwards. Okay. Now you have to take your favorite color nail polishes. 2, 3 you can take, or how many ever you like. As much as it can fit the waffle box, you have to take that many, or how many ever you like. You can even grab one of them. Yep, so I have took my favorite color nail polishes. This is Top Shine. You have to apply this color after you put this. Then I am taking Mulberry Shine color. It's very beautiful. And I have to normal mulberry, which is just pink. And then I am taking this silvery top coat, shiny one, and I am taking galaxy color. Okay, now you have to place your favorite nail polishes through it, as many you like, as I told. And then you have to take our nail stickers, which I showed you at the first of the video, and you have to place them.
ते ऑफ करायचं का?
Yep, and now I'll be fixing the lid off. Now it's a little crown girl. And why we have placed it in the middle, I will tell you the reason. I am telling you the reason why we have placed this crown in the middle of our thing. That's because our crown is there. We need to place our nails conveniently like this. That's why. Okay. Now you will paint this. Yep. Then you will be painting these shiny beads which we have made. I'm gonna give this metallic color which we used for the queen's lips. Yep. So see, it's very beautifully crown I have created. I used metallic color because it looks nice on it. And now I'll be telling you how to use. For use, you have to place your finger in this like this, and then you have to take the color out of the box, and then you have to apply whatever you like. Okay, and then you can apply a nail sticker which we placed in, and I tell you, you can even use this like a table for you. That's why we have given 2 conveniences for you. You can even use this while traveling. So okay guys, bye bye.